Greetings, and welcome to OroCRM's video tutorial series. This is Rhonda with OroCRM, and today I'll be demonstrating how to create a Zendesk integration using OroCRM. OroCRM provides out-of-the-box integration with Zendesk. Zendesk is a customer service application to help create, handle, and track customer cases from a variety of sources including mobile devices, internet, and social media. OroCRM synchronizes out-of-the-box cases with Zendesk tickets. This also includes both public and private comments between the two systems. If a case is created in OroCRM, you have the option to publish it to Zendesk. Likewise, if tickets are created in Zendesk, cases will be created for them in OroCRM. The Zendesk integration can be set up in OroCRM by using an active API token and information about your Zendesk account, such as URL, API, email, and default Zendesk user email. First, you'll need your active API token for Zendesk. If you do not have this information, please ask your Zendesk system administrator. To integrate Zendesk into OroCRM, navigate to the main system menu and use the drop-down to select Integrations and then Manage Integrations. Click the Create Integration button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. A blank integration form displays. As soon as you set your integration type, the form changes to display fields for that specific integration selected. Fill out the name field. This field is the name used to refer to the integration in OroCRM and the name that displays on the integrations grid after implementation. Enter the Zendesk URL. Enter the API email. This is the email used to register your Zendesk account. If you don't have this information, please ask your Zendesk system administrator. Enter the API token. This is a token from the Zendesk system. Enter the Zendesk default user email. This is the email that will be assigned to tickets that come from OroCRM. Please be sure there are no other users matching this email address. Select the required connectors. By default, all the connectors are selected, but you can uncheck ones you don't need to use. These options include users, tickets, and comments. Set the status of the integration by using the drop-down to select active or inactive. By default, the selection is set to active. The default owner is pre-populated with the system user creating the integration, but you can select another user of the system. Check the Enable Two-Way Sync option if you would like to enable two-way synchronization. This is used when you want to synchronize data from OroCRM back into Zendesk. If this box is left unchecked, data from Zendesk will be loaded into OroCRM, but any changes performed in OroCRM will not be loaded into Zendesk. When choosing two-way sync, you must define sync priority. If the same information is updated by both a remote user and a local user at the same time, you can select which one wins the conflict by setting which option takes priority, remote or local. Make your selection based on where system users are primarily working. If you are primarily working in Zendesk, select remote. If OroCRM is your primary system to work from, select local. When you are finished configuring your Zendesk integration settings, click the Save and Close button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the grid, you can use the quick action items to edit, synchronize, deactivate, or delete the integration directly from the grid. Additionally, click on any integration in the grid to load the view page. Users can also delete, deactivate, or schedule a sync directly from this view page. Once your integration has been completed and activated successfully, the data will automatically start the synchronization process. For each case created as a result of synchronization, a ticket is created in OroCRM. The OroCRM case fields are mapped with Zendesk ticket fields. For more information on these map fields, check out the Zendesk integration documentation at www.orocrm.com/documentation. We can demonstrate how data moves back and forth through Zendesk and Oro by navigating to Zendesk and creating a new user and a new ticket. Navigate to your Zendesk website. Click the New Ticket button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Fill out the subject and the description of the issue. Use the Requester drop-down to search for a user or click the Add Plus user option to add a new user. Add the first and last name in the name field. Add an email address. Use the drop-down in the role field to add the user's role. Click the Add button in the lower right-hand corner of the dialog. When a new user is created within Zendesk, OroCRM will check the email against existing OroCRM users. If a user exists with the same email address, Oro will map the user's information to the Zendesk record. If there is no match, this new Zendesk user will be added to OroCRM as a contact upon the next sync. Use the drop-down in the Assignee field to select a user to assign the issue to. Add anyone you'd like to copy. You can add tags to type of problem and the priority of the issue. Click the Submit as New option in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Return to your OroCRM system and select Cases from the Activities menu. You will notice that our new Zendesk ticket has already created a case in OroCRM. Additionally, if a new user was created on Zendesk, that user information would be synced and a new contact would be created in OroCRM. To show how comments are passed between the two systems, navigate back to the Activities menu and select Cases and select the case we just created. Edit the ticket to update the status and priority. Add a comment to the case. This can be a private comment or you can make it public. Either way, these comments will be transferred to the Zendesk user. Anytime that a record is updated in OroCRM, the details are updated in Zendesk during the course of the next synchronization. You can also manually synchronize Zendesk by navigating to the Main System menu, selecting Integrations, and then Manage Integrations. Return to the ticket in Zendesk and you will notice the activity from OroCRM has been synced and updated. Click on the ticket to see the updates. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials, please check out our website at www.orocrm.com/media-library.